Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold hit a more than 2-week high, fueled by safe haven buying, while the market took out positions ahead of the Federal Reserve's rate outlook and President-elect Donald Trump's looming trade tariffs. Spot gold rose 1.3%. Wall Street seesawed amid choppy trading, reversing earlier gains as investors embarked on the new year, facing the cross-currents of solid labour market data, a rising dollar and tumbling Tesla shares. The T3 Financial Crimes Unit, spearheaded by stablecoin issuer Tether, the Tron Network and TRM Labs, collectively froze $126 million in USDT since the inception of the FCU in August 2024. The FCU works with law enforcement agencies across the world to freeze illicit transactions.
The euro-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Prepare for market movements as the economic calendar for the upcoming days includes a mix of high priority and moderate impact releases. These data points could create trading opportunities and drive price action across various sectors. These key releases could set the tone for trading in the near term. Understanding their potential impact will help shape effective investment strategies.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.